humanity. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. I am Japji and I am Gurshi. Today, we the students of class 8 stand before you all to present a mesmerizing assembly on the topic climate change.
It's important that we all take some time to learn about it. We can all make a difference in our own way. So let's listen, learn and participate today. Prayer means the purification of one's soul. It takes away negative thoughts from our minds. So before we begin, let's take a moment to reflect and give thanks to the Almighty God.
So join your hands, close your eyes and start with the morning prayer.
All-powerful God, you are present, God. You are present in the whole universe. You are present in the whole universe. And in the smallest of your creatures. And in the smallest of your creatures. You embrace us. You embrace us. With your tenderness. With your tenderness. All that exists. All that exists. Pour out upon us. Pour out upon us. The power of your love. The power of your love. That we may protect. That we may protect. Life and beauty. Life and beauty. Fill us with peace. Fill us with peace. That we may live as. That we may live as. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. Harming no one. Harming no one. Oh God, bring healings to our lives. Bring healings to our lives. That we may sow. Beauty. Beauty. Not pollution and destruction. Not pollution and destruction. Teach us to discover. Teach us to discover. The worth of each other. The worth of each other. To recognize that. We are profoundly united. We are profoundly united. With every creature. With every creature. We thank you. We thank you. For being with us. For being with us. Every day. Every day. Encourage us. Encourage us. In our struggles. In our struggles. For justice. For justice. Love and peace. Love and peace. Amen. Amen.
After thanking Almighty God, let's proceed further. Gurshi, do you know what climate change is?
Yes, Japji, I do know. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, which provide heat-trapping gases.
Oh, this is harmful. Even my friend told me that various diseases have chances to increase because of climate change.
Whoa, that's scary.
So now, to fuel our minds with inspiration, we present you our thought of the day by Gurnoor.
Good morning to one and all present here. The thought of the day is, the story of humankind and our relationship to the earth may be seen as a continuing adventure or a tragedy shrouded in mystery. The choice is ours. I repeat, the story of humankind and our relationship to the earth may be seen as a continuing adventure or a tragedy shrouded in mystery. The choice is ours. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurnoor, for enlightening our minds.
कुदरत का कहर देखकर क्यों डरता है इंसान? अरे कुदरत का कहर देखकर क्यों डरता है इंसान? जब खुद ही खिलवाड़ कुदरत से करता है इंसान, जब खुद ही खिलवाड़ कुदरत से करता है इंसान।
अब मैं जलवायु परिवर्तन विषय पर एक अद्भुत कविता सुनाने के लिए इशिका को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। सुप्रभात, इंसान की देखो कैसी माया, पर्यावरण को खूब सताया, देश को आगे ले जाना, पेड़ काट उन्हें खूब रुलाया। देश में अनेक कारखाने वे गंदे जल बहाए। देखो प्रकृति कैसे असंतुलित हो गई। ठंडी में गर्मी और गर्मी में बारिश हो गई। हुआ बादलों में धुओं का बसेरा। पता नहीं अब कब होगा शुद्ध सवेरा। जंगल नष्ट कर जानवरों को बेघर कर दिया। अपने स्वार्थ में पर्यावरण नष्ट कर दिया। पेड़ काटने एक आदमी आया, धूप है कहकर उसी के छांव में बैठ गया। पेड़ बचाओ कहते हम थकते नहीं और एक इंसान को पेड़ काटने से रोकते नहीं। बातों पर अमल कर प्रदूषण को दूर भगाएं। बातों पर अमल कर प्रदूषण को दूर भगाएं। चलो शुद्ध और स्वस्थ पर्यावरण बनाएं। चलो शुद्ध और स्वस्थ पर्यावरण बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
प्रेरणादायक कविता को हमारे सामने पेश करने के लिए
Japjit, you know what? Climate change is a major environmental issue. Most scientists believe that climate change is caused mostly by human activities as well as many other factors. To know why is it all happening, here I invite my friends to come up on the stage and inform us.
Burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas causes large chunks of global emissions. Thus, one of the greatest enemies of battling climate change are the fossil fuels.
Due to fossil fuels, greenhouse gas emissions blanket the earth. They trap the sun's heat. This leads to climate change and global warming. The world is now warming faster at any point in recorded history.
Deforestation is the major cause of climate change, as trees can absorb approximately 25 kg of carbon dioxide, but when they are cut down, much of that stored carbon dioxide is released into the air that result in the rise of temperature.
Transport is a major use of energy and burns most of the world's petroleum. It creates air pollution by releasing nitrous oxide and which is a significant contributing to pollution.
Manufacturing and industry produce emissions, mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, iron, steel, electronics, plastic and clothes and other goods. Mining and other industrial processes also release gases.
Beetles are the heralds of climate change in animal worlds. Scientists find the dead beetles in fresh water and land sediments. Different species of beetles live in different climate conditions, and scientists use these differences to determine the present and past of the climate change.
know the causes now. We all should make sure that we do not do any of these things in future which can lead to them. Have you heard about the latest climate report? It's pretty alarming.
No, I haven't. What does it say?
It says that we are on track from catastrophic warming in the next few decades if we don't take action now.
Oh, that's really concerning. What can we do about it?
We need to make a real difference, and to understand how to make it, here is an enactment by our friends.
Save a tree. If don't, then charge a fee. We should all strive to save our home, which is the planet Earth. Even planting one tree can save so many lives. It is high time that we take an action and save the natural beauty of the planet, which nourishes all living breathing creatures. When saving trees, they save lives and invariably save the planet. Now let's understand the emotions of a tree through an enactment.
मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा। काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है, बड़ा दुखता है, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है।
Trees indeed have hearts. He who plants a tree plants a hope. All our wisdom is stored in the trees.
मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया।